friends because she didn't talk.
I know.
No fight.
I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this guy.
Jadi kalau Adnan bilang begitu habis selesai adegan itu, Isya langsung pulang. Jadi kayak saling nggak tatap-tatapan, tapi Isya bilang bye, tapi ada sikap dingin yang melihat. Karena menurut
Iya,
Isya
betul.
harusnya laki-laki duluan yang misalnya kayak bilang selamat tinggal,
Iya.
atau yang melakukan ucapan perpisahan.
Tapi kemudian kalian kan jadi pasangan untuk menumbuhkan itu yang tadi barangkali benci, rasa untuk menumbuhkan rasa saling suka, jatuh hati.
You became really good friends with
turn
Isya.
from that
How did you
hatred
build
to
that
that
feeling
to
from stranger
build the
became love?
chemistry as a that you have to love
Because she
in the
reads.
series.
So we were shooting. Then we started shooting for the show, and then I remember. So I read a lot, and I didn't know reads. So I was just sitting with her and talking. I said I just finished reading a book and all that. She's like, oh, even I read. I said, huh? And everyone says they read. Then so I named my favorite book Khalid Hosseini, Kite Runner. So I said, yeah, I have a favorite author. His name is Khalid Hosseini, and the book is called Kite Runner. She's like, so what she said was, in the book there's a quote called "Forever and Always."
For you 1,000 times.
Sorry, for you 1,000 times over. That's a quote from the book which two characters say to each other. And it's one, because it's my favorite book, I love that quote. For you 1,000 times over. And when I told her, yeah, I love this book and this writer, she's like, oh, for you 1,000 times over. I was blown away. I was like, okay, this is my new best friend. That's it. I'm going to be my chutney buddy. Like, I'm going to yeah, that's it. Just because of that, because there was a connection, and the minute she said my favorite quote, I knew there's a connection.
And I was free for 5 months, so these 5 months I used to read a lot. So now I have stopped reading because of the time. And if I'm starting a book, I need some time. Like I want to invest time and read it out, or maybe just finish it in one go. I'm someone like that. So that time, because I was free, I was not doing anything, I used to read a lot. And that Khalid Hosseini is my favorite, and that book is my favorite. And I just told, we were just discussing, and there was this clip, and then we started talking a lot.
Jadi mereka awalnya dua-duanya tuh nggak tahu mereka suka apa masing-masing. Ternyata saat abis keluar kamarnya, abis kayak dandan atau apa, ngobrol-ngobrol, pada nanya lah abis ngapain. Terus Adnan bilang abis baca buku, terus Isya juga bilang abis baca buku juga. Dan Adnan cerita ada penulis favoritnya, what's his name?
Khalid Hosseini.
Khalid Hosseini with
Kite Runner.
Kite Runner. Di situ ada satu kalimat yang merupakan kalimat favorit dari Adnan dan juga Isya. Jadi Adnan bilang harus baca nih dari buku ini, terus Isya langsung bilang, oh ya, kalimatnya itu for you 1,000 times over.
1,000
times over.
That's a quote from the book.
Iya, itu ada kalimat dari buku itu, dan langsung kayak Adnan kayak, oh ternyata dia beneran baca buku. Kirain tadinya cuma kayak bilang-bilang doang, oh baca buku biar oh ya udah biar nyambung atau apa gitu. Ternyata emang mereka berdua sangat suka baca buku, dan situ mereka tahu ada koneksi yang bakalan kuat banget.
Iya.
Dari satu momen, satu buku, mereka akhirnya bisa menemukan koneksi satu sama lain.
Benar begitu ya, Syah? Omongannya Adnan benar.
Ya, jadi saya juga bilang kalau biasanya tuh dia kalau misalnya untuk kayak baca reading dan script dan itu dia tuh memang baca intens gitu bacanya semua. Nah pada saat pas dia jadi dia baca, kalau mendalami si script itu benar-benar sampai berbulan-bulan gitu. Nah sampai akhirnya pada saat waktu free-nya dia baca tuh buku itu. Jadi dia banyak baca buku sampai akhirnya dia juga nemuin si favorite quote-nya dia, dan ternyata sama Adnan. Ya, jadi pas ketemunya gitu.
Apa sih? Favorite-nya?
Buku yang apa tadi?
Khalil Hosseini.
Khalid Hosseini.
Itu bukunya.
Ada quote-nya yang sama gitu.
Penulis favorit mereka berdua.
Jadi hanya salah satunya buku itu ya.
Iya.
Hal lain misalnya kalian berjalan menghabiskan waktu bersama atau nongkrong, nonton,
Candlelight,
You go out together with Adnan to build the chemistry.
No, then we share the same birthday.
We
So
should-
that really helped. Like, what? In my life, I've only met one other person who has the same birthday.
I
That's
thought
two people in
he's
30 years. I'm 30 years old.
Emang banget sama.
Katanya karena saking sibuknya kan jadi mereka nggak terlalu nongkrong di luar selain bekerja gitu. Tapi selain itu ada satu hal yang bikin mereka dekat banget karena mereka tuh ulang tahun sama.
Oh.
24 Desember.
24 December.
24 Desember.
Together.
Christmas.
When she told me, I thought she was
I
joking.
thought he's joking.
I didn't tell her anything.
Translated tuh.
Yeah, and I was like, what?
Kirain si Isya bercanda cuma biar sama-sama yang ulang tahunnya doang.
Oh.
So I have to play it cool. So she told me, now so me and her sitting like this, we're waiting for a costume and everything. And she's like, yeah, so someone came and wished her happy belated birthday. Yeah, she just come and someone wished her happy belated birthday. And I was like, so when's your birthday? She's like, December 24th. I kept quiet, I didn't say anything.
He just smiled. Very nice. He gave me a very nice warm smile. Warm smile.
In my head, I'm like, what? But outside, I'm like,
Maze,
I'm like,
maze.
what?
Then I asked him that when is your birthday? He said 24 December. I said this guy is just fooling around. You know,
She didn't say
honestly.
anything.
I said he's making fun of me or what? Because he was smiling. He said 24 December. I said what?
Awalnya tuh udah lewat, ini udah lewat tanggal 24 Desember.
Iya,
Nggak
dia
tahu
kasih
kemana, tapi
paspornya.
pas lagi duduk karena Isya
Ada yang
tuh diucapin
lucu.
ulang tahun sama
Oh.
orang kayak happy belated birthday di cake kan udah lewat gitu. Terus jadi Adnan penasaran ulang tahunnya emang kapan? Terus dia nanya kayak, oh 24, dijawab 24 Desember. Terus Adnan ya pura-pura biasa aja gitu.
Padahal sebelumnya dia kayak,
Sebenarnya
hah gitu.
kaget juga bisa share ulang
You
tahun
guys,
sama
boy,
gitu.
always like that boy.
Jadi share terus akhirnya nanya, berbalik nanya gitu, emang ulang tahunnya kapan? 24 Desember. Tapi dia juga mikir kayak, paling cuma bercandain doang
bercandain.
ini. Tapi ternyata beneran ulang tahunnya sama. Akhirnya jadi kayak makin banyak topik yang bisa diomongin selain buku. Terus si ulang tahun.
Dalam kehidupan nyata mereka berpasangan, sudah punya pasangan.
So you real life you guys have any someone you are dating?
No.
Nggak ada.
Kalau jatuh cinta, nanti kalau jatuh cinta beneran dari lokasi syuting gimana?
Curious.
Iya, masih ada ya.
Fall in love like
Chance
with
in the future if you
you
guys
have the
are
chance
falling
in
in
the
love.
future to fall in love with
No, it's like
Adnan.
What do you think?
Miss
No,
Fox.
it's
I
like-
don't think so.
Right now ada.
I
Jangan
tried, she
next
said
week ya,
no.
next week.
I tried, she said
Udah
no.
coba Adnan sebenarnya ditolak.
I want my mom to have to choose a guy.
Biar ibunya aja deh yang nentuin.
Jadi hari